Quite obvious what I'm sowing today. Cucumbers, specifically these gherkin, Pepinex, the main one, Market Moor, which grows okay outside. Now Market Moor, the small knobbly ones that have like spiky outside, but they are absolutely delicious. They're really worth growing. So I'm going to do, prepared the pots, going to have 2 pots of each. I'm going to put 2 seeds in each pot, and I'll pull 1 seed. They want to go about, I don't know, about ½ inch down or so. And I always put them on the side, as I don't know if that really matters, but that's what I'm doing. Those 4 done. I've only got 3 seeds of the Pepinex, so one of them is just going to get the 1, and this one I'll get 2. As I said, I'll just cull the weakest one, providing they all grow. These Market Moor are quite old seeds, but I have got some Aldi ones that don't say Market Moor 76, they just say Market Moor. Now, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe they must have been improved Market Moor in 1976, I would think. So I don't know, but I'm hoping the seeds will germinate. They're quite old, these ones. I've had them a long time. Oops. Came off of my handkerchief. Right. And there we have it. These will go back home. They do need heat, so they will go back home onto the Super 7 and have a lid over. I'm just putting them in this tray just so that they don't get knocked over, and I'm carrying them back home like this. I walk to the allotments from home, and that's about it. I've just got to cover these seeds up. I won't water them till I get home, but the soil is the compost is pretty moist anyway. So they go back into my seed store. Hopefully won't have to re-sow. That's it, all covered up. Job done. Having another go at sowing some peas. I did have this one that came pretty good, and then the mice got at it, so I lost most of the sowings, but I'm trying again. I've got 1 pot here in the greenhouse off the floor, because if you leave the pot on the floor, the mice will get it. I'm hoping the same for this one, just hoping the mice don't get to them.